Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple and effective guide on how to receive Facebook notifications by SMS for messaging directly from your PC. This new update makes it easier to stay connected and informed even when you're away from your computer. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the notifications icon. Click on it. Next, locate the three dots positioned near the notification settings menu. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options. From this drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your notification preferences. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Messaging. Click on it to open its settings. Here, you'll see an option to enable SMS notifications. Toggle the switch to turn this feature on, and that's it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for messaging on Facebook using your PC. From now on, you'll receive text alerts for messages directly on your phone, ensuring you never miss an important conversation. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Stay connected, and see you in the next video.